Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the correct lens and orientation so you don't install the wrong power. Lay frames on a soft towel under bright light. This prevents scratches. If screws hold the rim, use a tiny screwdriver and remove them slowly, keeping screws in a tray. This prevents loss. If they're glued or tension frames, warm the bridge gently with a hair dryer for about 20 seconds to loosen adhesive. Once done, flex the rim slightly to expose the lens edge. You remove the lens by supporting the frame and pushing the lens outward from the side opposite the screws or fittings. This reduces warping. For rimless or drilled lenses, loosen the small screws first and carefully slide the lens out. Do not force it. Once removed, inspect the frame groove and clean debris with a microfiber cloth. This ensures a snug fit for the new lens. If you hit resistance, stop, reapply gentle heat, or double-check fasteners before continuing. You position the new lens by aligning any notches or drill holes with the frame hardware, then press it evenly into the groove to avoid stress points. If screws secure the lens, replace them finger-tight first, then snug with a screwdriver. Do not over-tighten. Once seated, clean fingerprints and check optical alignment by holding frames at eye level. If vision is off or the lens wobbles, reseat the lens and red-item. If scratches or chips appear, stop and consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.